In Photoshop 24.6, go to the rectangular marquee tool, create a selection. You also notice you've got this contextual taskbar. If you haven't got that, go to Edit and Generative Fill. That's another option. Click here and enter something. I'm just going to enter man holding flower, looking at whatever you want. Once you've done that, click Generate. You will notice one thing. If you go to the Layers panel, you've got this, and also you've got a mask. If you want the full image, just go here, select that, and delete. Now you've got the full image. You also got 3 examples here. You can change it, so click there, click there. You might think that one's better, maybe that one. But what you can also do is with that layer selected, go to Layer, down to Smart Objects, and convert to a smart object. So as a smart object, you can apply effects, but also you can come back to it and change it later. So convert to smart object. You'll notice it gets a thumbnail, little thumbnail for a smart object. Now you can resize it. So I'm just going to resize it and press return. You can make it any size, but show transform controls needs to be on, makes it easier. So maybe slightly smaller, press return again. Hold down the Alt or Option key on the keyboard and drag. And you can duplicate that. And of course you can position it in any kind of way. You don't have to, you just put it there, up to you. But I'm just going to put 3, and then I'm just going to drag down again, hold down the Alt or Option, and drag, and there it is. So you've got now 6 images. Suddenly you think, oh, you know what? I don't want that image anymore. I can change it. So just go over here, this little thumbnail, just double click, and you're into the PSB file. So now you can edit this. You look here, think, oh, I think maybe that one, or maybe that one. But you can also, again, click Generate. And this time I'm going to put something else. In red. Generate. So, I don't know. Might generate a red sky, might generate a red t-shirt. I'm not certain. Maybe the fishbowl will be red. You have to be very, very careful how you do it. Oh, okay. So it's created that. And some, it doesn't even add the fishbowl. Now you'll notice what's happened. The mask has come back. Not certain why it does that. Is there a feature to turn that off? Anyway, you can delete it. Just select and then delete. There it is. And again, you might look at another one. Oh, that looks good. Okay, let's just close it. Save. And all of the images now will be updated.